Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to disconnect device from Strava. So as we all know, Strava is a fitness app that tracks running, cycling and other workouts using GPS while connecting users through a social network. So that app actually you can get it from the stores, even the App Store or Play Store or Xiaomi Store, etc. So that's depends on which system or which phone that you have. Anyways, let's get into Strava. So once you tap on the app, you will be directly on the home page right here. Right here, you can join the challenge or follow the profiles, etc. So what I'm going to do right here is to go into you in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and right here, as you can see, we have some choices to go through on the top right corner. Even you can go into the gear icon and settings section, or you can tap on the explore icon. Even you can go into your profile. So what I want to go through this video is the gear icon top right corner. Tap on it, and right here, as you can see, you can even connect an app or device right here, but I want to go into the second one or the third one, actually manage apps and devices right here. So right here, if you already connect something or on your Strava, even Garmin or Apple Watch or etc., you can just tap on it and it will be disconnected. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.